Hello everybody and welcome back. We're just doing another intake unboxing. Gonna give Cotty some cookies. This is just another transmission controller, I believe. This is for Cliff. And of course, no information. So I'm gonna have to figure out. You guys need to include information with your items. I've got the name and address, but I don't have any of his details, so. Okay. But so Cliff, if you're out there, contact me. I've got your address, but I'll get it in the repair queue, and I'll wait for your contact to get you a bill. We'll catch y'all later.